Poor guy outdoor cooking. How are you? Hey, look what we got. Ranchers Premium Smokehouse smoked bacon and cheddar. These are new, I think. Well, I'll tell you what. Poor guy, the sausage freak, aka the sausage freak. Um, I've done two other videos on this product, Ranchers Premium Smokehouse, this brand. Um, as far as I know, I'm the only channel on YouTube that has talked about these, reviewed them. The only videos out there, which is surprising. It's not well known. Bought these at Walmart, and I believe this is their newest edition, bacon and cheddar. I couldn't pass it up. So Texas made, Texas proud, right? Ranchers Premium Smokehouse since 1941. Uh, Smoked bacon and cheddar, pork and beef, smoked sausage. Smoke flavor added. These are fully cooked. Now, I'm all bundled up because it's been freezing rain all morning, all night. But we're still going to cook these outside because that's what we do here at Poor Guy Outdoor Cooking. Yeah. um, I'm going to do these on my Monument Grills G22 because they are fully cooked. Don't really feel like getting all the charcoal and everything warmed up. So we're going to see if we can get that going in freezing temperatures outside and cook these up real quick, warming them up because they're fully cooked. So meet me outside. Peace. Man, it's cold out here. I'm kind of nestled in by my fence and my shed to block the wind. The wind has picked up. There's a little Monument Grills G22. Look at that sucker. It's like wind chill of 15 degrees out here, I think, up to 500 degrees. There's our sausage. As you can see, I'm not lying. There's all the ice. Ice everywhere. All right, let's open this up and get these cooking because I'm cold. Whoop, whoop. So I do detect some flecks of cheddar cheese in there and perhaps some bacon. So yeah, fully cooked. I'm going to cook these up and I'm going to taste test them in the house. Yeah, Rancher's Premium Smokehouse Sausage, bacon and cheddar flavor. If I think about it, I'll share the link of the other two videos I've done for this product. So far, it's been very good. Um, so this is their latest edition, their latest flavor, and I couldn't pass it up. All right, let me get these cooked up and we'll do a taste test in the house. Hey, they're done. Check them out. They look good. They smell good. So for this taste test, I'm just going to try them uh, as is. No bun, no condiments on them. Whew. Let's slice one open. They're juicy. Look at the cheese in there. So the cheese isn't going to be a disappointment, I can tell you that. Rancher's Premium Smokehouse, cheddar and bacon flavor. Oh my goodness. They're delicious. Definitely a presence of cheese. And the bacon is faint, but you can taste it. They're a little salty, which may be from the bacon. Hmm. Those are extremely good. I'll tell you what, they knocked this one out of the park. Now, like I said, I've done a couple different reviews on this brand. Some interesting flavors that they have. I'll try to remember to share the link for those two videos if you're interested. And wow, these are good. They're very good. Uh, the sausage itself is quality. The casing has a good snap to it. Let me get another piece. You can see the cheese. Nice job, guys. I know you can get these at Walmart, but I'm not sure where else. Very tasty. Nice job. Bacon and cheese, I'm getting it. And a quality sausage. Mm. If this is something you're interested, take a look. Give them a try. Uh, wow. Yeah, very good. Way to go, people. All right, poor guy out there cooking the sausage freak. Thanks for watching. Peace.